one of the most recent agent that everybody is talking about, those are autonomous agents. So if we look at the different type of agent, the spectrum of agent, we see on the left, those are like the simple agent, like the retrieval agent, where you can ask Q&A question. It has knowledge. You can ask question. It will find an answer in that knowledge. Then you move to task-oriented agent. You still interact with chat with those agents, but they can take action on your behalf. They can call an API. They can send a message, and they can retrieve data from a different backend system. But it's still an interactive interaction with the end user. And then recently, a lot of people have been talking about autonomous agents. So autonomous agents are expert systems that manage and automate complex business tasks without human interaction at the beginning. So that means those autonomous agents can respond to signals outside of chats. So it could be a new record that's been created in a database, or a new email arrived in a particular inbox. So any external event can be a trigger to an autonomous agent. Those agents are independent because they are running 24/7, monitoring for those particular triggers, and they work behind the scene without human intervention. We will see that sometimes you want to bring a human in the loop, despite the fact that those are autonomous agents. And we will see in one demo how we can do that with Copilot Studio. And another interesting aspect of those agents is that they are adaptive. It means they can dynamically change their plan during runtime and don't necessarily follow a single path every single time. So those agents work behind the scene. They also can run for a long time. So they can start a process, and that process can last days or even weeks. The agent is always there and always ready to continue a particular process. They will dynamically reason over the different tools that we give those agents, and a tool can be knowledge, a tool can be a topic to execute, a tool can be a set of actions and connectors. And sometimes we want those agents to reach out for help, for a human to validate a particular condition. And we will see that, for example, we could use a team's approval as part of a process to bring a human in the loop to decide what the agent should do next. An autonomous agent, we'll see with Satish, can also be used to orchestrate other agents. So those agents will change the way we work. They will help us optimize existing processes, maybe that are running on legacy technology and we don't want to touch that. They are here to be agile and connect wherever your data is. Those agents can also be a way to create innovation and discover new processes, so they can connect data between different systems and automate how we solve problems between those systems. And agents that are autonomous can scale. We don't need an end user to trigger those agents. They could work in the backend, behind a department, behind functions, to help users and automatically do tasks in the background.